Chief Secretary Donald P. Walang today inaugurated the refurbished infrastructure of Lingyong Government LP School and Maungap Government LP School. This was done under the partnership of Smart Village Movement and about one school at a time. The project addresses critical challenges in rural school infrastructure such as dilapidated buildings, overcrowded classrooms and inadequate facilities. Speaking on the occasion, Walang said the government is making its all-out efforts to build the infrastructure of all the schools in the state, and said that in the last 4 years, more than 2,000 new buildings were constructed for development of infrastructure of government LP schools.
Pila dalam bersenang matharu encourage Iman Seal kini pa bakide ban pass school yaki kun kini kata kadi kebadan kam encourage parents to send the children to school and they should not stay back at home.
Public